is completed till over here, and we have this thing. Let's select the data first. Select columns in the data. Just click over here and let's first join these two, and let's click parameters, select columns. Wait a second. Coming here, double clicking this thing, it will show you this thing, and we'll just edit the column. After editing the column, going to the by name and then add all and normalize loss, remove this one thing. This is get done. Let's just save this and save this. Done with this. Yeah, now you can see it's gone. After doing this, we have completed removing that, and next we're just cleaning up the data. So just clean missing data. Okay, put it over here. Just join these two, then double click. Yeah, so we will just edit the column and column names input. So click here all columns and it should get done. Let's save this. Done cleaning of the data. Yeah, cleaning of the data is also done. After cleaning of the data, next step is to just normalize the data. Normalize the data. Let's just normalize it. Yeah, wait a second. Let's take this. And okay, this is done, and let's edit the column and then normalize data as well. Let's normalize all the columns. Yes, let's normalize everything, and it should get done after normalization. Yeah, so we have done till over here. Yeah, so data collection, data pre-processing is done. So after normalization, you can see that the data is in the range of 0 to 1, and we have removed that whole column. So this will get done. Next step will be the training of the model. First, let's normalize the data and see how it works. Submit, and then this experiment. Let's just create a new experiment. Regression. Okay. Next is just review and submit, and done. When you click over here, the validate, and it will ask you that we didn't have any. Let's just create this, and let's just create a computer cluster because we didn't do that. So we just need to do that as well. We didn't use any computer resource, so let's create it. Let's keep it same as well. Okay, this depends on the cost. Let's put that, and this is done. Let's keep it the same, and done. Let's give it a name. Create a computer resource. Yeah, whether this is done. Let's add it. Okay, so it's getting done. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's added and review and submit. Done pipeline. Let's submit, and probably it should get started now. Okay, yeah, it will take some time, and after this, it will start with your pipeline. Submission of the pipeline succeeded. Yeah. So just selecting the columns, and it's just processing right now. It will take some time and it will give you some values. So let's get into the PPT and continue. So after doing that, you will get some result like this, and you will get the regression values over here, the normalized values, then training of the model. For training of the model, similarly as we have done over there, after doing all that, you have to again review, you have to again submit the pipeline, and similarly just do those things. Just need to split the data. We have done the data collection, we have done the data pre-processing. This is the splitting of the data. We have to change the parameters in the same manner. Then just join this. Then we will take the trained data to the trained model. We'll add a linear regression algorithm over there, and again join this. Then after getting those values, we'll give it to the score model, and we'll take the test data from over here and give it to the score model. After that, we'll take the values and give it to the evaluation of the model. Then we'll be completing with our pipeline. This is the data collection, data pre-processing, splitting of the data, training of the model, testing the data, evaluating the data. And this is the whole ML pipeline which will be used for training our model. So you can see that these are the metrics which will be getting over here. These are the metrics. These metrics get improved. If you want to see, I'll show you how these metrics get improved using different algorithms. You can say, like right now we have used linear regression. Other than that, we can use other algorithms as well. Let's see if it's done or not. That should be probably. No, yeah, it's still running. Still running, you can see. It will take some time. So after training, this is a pipeline. If you want to like just put it in a web or somewhere else, like if you want to, instead of taking the raw data, if you want to take a real-time data, you can just create a pipeline from the internet, REST, creating a REST API. So for that, you just have to click this and remove that. Whatever is there, you just need to remove that. And after removing the auto price data, you just have to put the web service input over here, or if you want to enter the data manually, you can put that as well. Then other than that, it's the same thing which we have done. At the end, we just need to add over here the Python script. I won't go into detail this thing. I want to keep it a basic video. Then next part of the deployment of the pipeline we have created. In that as well, we just have to create this, then you have to click the deploy button. This is the basic Python code which can be used for testing the service. If you want to, let's answer a question. Just answer this question. Let's see who can answer. Just comment it down. And the answer for this is, it's a very basic question. Normalized data. Second question, just answer this as well in the comments if you know. Let's see how much you have learned from my video. For this, it's splitting the data. Specifically basic questions I wanted to show you guys. Then if you want to train your own data, I have created an assignment for you guys. Like you can just go to the kaggle.com and you can search for Instagram data set. You'll get such kind of data. Using those data, you can just instead of taking the data set from the available data set, you just have to click the data set and from web files and add this URL over there. Then you will get imported your data. Then after that, you can explore the data. Like we have cleaned the data, you can clean the data. You can use different algorithms like I've given you over here, like the decision trees. Then compute you have to do same, just the same. You just need to experiment to learn more things. That's it. If you learn, you understand, that's it, not more than that. And Kaggle is their best place. You can use, you can train and deploy a model, and you can build a web app out of it using the APIs. Other than that, you can use different things. Azure is a platform which can be used for utilizing various services, like I've shown you one of them. And instead of using this, you can also use auto ML, which is also a great thing. If you want, I'll show you how you can use that. And that's it from my side for today. Hope you all found it very useful. And for any such videos, you can just like, share, and subscribe. Give me some suggestions. I'll help you guys if you want. Thank you.